In 1972 in Sweden, 3 entrepreneurs decide to start a company, and the ambition is clear: to make the world's best dishwashers for the catering environment. It'll take them about a year of drawing and prototyping before their first machine is assembled. The WD6 is an instant success. Today, Wexiodisk is the leading supplier in Scandinavia, with not only a distribution network in Europe, but also throughout the world. Through knowledge, experience, and research, we've created a high-quality range of products for hotels, flight catering, hospitals, restaurants, and bars. Each kitchen has its own unique needs and conditions, which is why we customize every installation.
Hi, my name's Andrew Lemon. I work in at Customises Hotel. I work here as a head chef. We're a very busy restaurant in a hotel here. We have a place for 200 people to sleep overnight, so that's a lot of dishes. The washing machine is going from 5 o'clock in the morning till about 12 o'clock at night. So it's very important that it works. If it doesn't work, we can't serve food. We care about the food we put on the plate, and it always has to be looking good. So we want it to come out of the dish machine first time looking great. Our relationship with Wexiodisk is very important. They have a great customer service, and they know what they're doing. The expertise is amazing, so it really gives us the confidence to use their machines.
At Wexiodisk, the environment is always in focus, and we've developed several patents over the years, like the ICS+, DUPLUS and PRM. We see no conflict between being eco-friendly and being cost-effective.
It makes a difference to buy a Wexiodisk machine. They are eco-friendly, long-lasting and cost-efficient.
Every day at Wexiodisk, our skilled and competent employees use the latest technology to ensure top quality in every detail. Their work is an excellent example of genuine Swedish craftsmanship, known for its quality, simplicity, and functionality.
The staff is our most important asset. They show passion in what they do, to whom they do it, and in the products they manufacture.
Because we know that throughout the globe at bars, restaurants, and airports, customers rely on our dishwashers to keep the dishes clean and ready. All it takes is a little bit of Swedish brilliance. Wexiodisk. Every installation should be a good reference.